Hi guys, how we doing? This is these here are what we call Ayrshire Tatties. They're actually epicure potatoes, but the foliage has started to go yellow and die off. And I've tried everything. I've gave them magnesium, I've gave them calcium, I've gave them extra feed. I've made sure the water's been alright, but they're just dying. So the only thing I can think it is it's time for them to get lifted or come out of the bag. So I'm going to do that today just to see what's happening. So I'll get set up and then I'll get back to you. Right, so what I've done is I've cut off all the foliage and I've tipped it upside down into this bucket here. And the first thing that came across was this one. Now, I don't know what to expect here, and I mean there is plenty. I mean the soil's nice and damp, isn't it? So it's not as if there's no, hold on. It's not as if there's not been getting watered. So the mother-in-law is going to be coming for dinner on Sunday. So I think we'll have Ayrshire Tatties, fried chicken or something. Now if I remember right, this was 2 seed potatoes. God, is that on there? There's the seed there. It's actually still hard. I wonder if I'll be able to regrow that. It actually looks as if there's not going to be many at all. Pretty disappointing, to be honest, but could be wrong. Do you know what? See if I get enough for a dinner, I'll be quite happy. Well, they've all fell down. They're all down the bottom. Try to do this so as you can see. You know what? I'll just take that soil out of there and put it back in this bag. And all of these will be in the compost bin. That seed tatty's been a bit demolished, so and that seed tatty's been a bit demolished. Well, you know, I gave them all the love and the care that I could, and I gave them potato fertiliser. The only reason I'm taking these wee ones out is I'll probably put them in soup somewhere. And I don't want them regrowing in the compost. Maybe they were too wet, maybe that's what the problem is. I've still got another bag down there. This seems to be taking forever because I'm doing it with one-handed, so I'll tell you what, I hope the main crop, my Maris Pipers, I hope they're better. The ones in the black buckets. Is that all I'm getting? Oh no, there's another one, there's another one. I think that's it. No, I don't know yet. I think that's me now, I think. And there'll be one there, seen. Yeah, I think that's me by. Is that one there? No. Bit weird. I'm feeling as I'm digging and I can't really feel any more, but I will check. But there you go. I mean, that's enough to feed me, the mother-in-law and the wife Sunday dinner. Still disappointed. I was hoping for more, and I was hoping to keep some of these as seeds for next year. I might still do that actually. Anyway, that's us for this, and I'll see you soon. Back in a minute. These two seed tatties don't actually look as if they've done anything, so I'm going to try a wee experiment. I'm going to see if these will grow again. These are going back into the compost. See what happens. If they come back up, all good and well. If they don't, what have I lost? Nothing. Back in a minute.